When that's done, it's time to secure the site. There are two reasons for this. One is to keep people out, the other is to actually keep your equipment in. Signage is important. The next few images are of different signs that need to be displayed by law and ideally followed by everyone who goes onto the site. Marking overhead wires might seem unnecessary, but the number of accidents every year where trucks or diggers hit overhead power lines and cause fatalities indicates that it's actually quite important. The next job is to strip away the topsoil. Now the reason for this is very, very simple. Topsoil contains a lot of vegetable matter which gradually, over time, rots down. As it rots down, its volume changes, and therefore anything built on top of it will sink or move and collapse. The topsoil is stored because obviously later on when the house has been built you want to landscape the garden, and it's far more efficient to use the soil that was there already. The site's now ready for the application of hardcore, which is tipped into place and rolled down to provide a good working platform for machinery, equipment and storage of materials. It's a very important part if you don't want to spend a lot of time towing trucks out of a muddy site. Here's the hardcore, levelled, rolled, ready for actually working on. Next part of the job is to actually get the site ready for the builders to arrive. So there are site huts, very important for drinking tea in and for secure storage of equipment. And then the last part of this process is marking out where the foundations will go. You can see the surveyor's pegs going in, you can see the chalk lines being used to actually mark out where foundations will go and walls will be built, trenches dug and so on.